Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the US Department of Labor, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefits rose 234,000 to 238,000 in the week ending June 29th. According to the S&P Global US Services Purchasing Managers Index, rose from 54.8 in May to 55.3 in June. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, new orders for manufactured goods unexpectedly fell 0.5% in May. Atlanta Fed GDPNow estimates U.S. real GDP growth at 1.5% for the second quarter 2024. 10-year Treasury yield falls to 4.35% on cooling economic data. S&P 500 rose 0.51% to a new high on Wednesday as interest rates fell. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefits rose 234,000 to 238,000 in the week ending June 29th. The number of Americans who receive benefits after an initial week of aid increased from 1,832,000 to 1,858,000 in the week ending June 22nd. Continuing jobless claims in the U.S. are the highest level since November 2021. According to the S&P Global, U.S. Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index increased from 51.3 in May to 51.6 in June. For your information, a reading above 50 indicates an overall expansion compared to the previous month. S&P Global said, quote, although client demand remained muted and business confidence hit a 19-month low, new orders rose for a second month running. S&P Global US Services Purchasing Managers Index also rose from 54.8 in May to 55.3 in June. S&P Global said, quote, growth momentum improved in the U.S. service sector in June, with firms seeing sharper increases in both business activity and new orders. Companies responded to growth of new business by increasing workforce numbers for the first time in 3 months. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, new orders for manufactured goods unexpectedly fell 0.5% from $586.1 billion in April to $583.1 billion in May, lower than expectations of a 0.2% gain. In addition, the April number was revised down from $588.2 billion. According to the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, GDPNow estimates U.S. real GDP growth at 1.5% for the second quarter 2024, down from 1.7% on July 1st, updated based on the U.S. International Trade in Goods and Services in May and factory orders in May. 10-year Treasury yield fell right after the cooling PCE price numbers released on last Friday, but it went up on rising oil prices and expanding U.S. Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index from the S&P Global. Then the yield topped 4.49% on Monday, and it hovered around 4.43% at Jerome Powell said, quote, "We've made a lot of progress. We want to be more confident that inflation is moving sustainably down toward 2% before we start the process of reducing our policy," end quote. The yield falls further to 4.35% as soft economic data such as continuing jobless claims and factory orders signals cooling economy. For the US stocks, S&P 500 rose 0.51% and Nasdaq gained 0.88%. Both S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed at record highs on Wednesday, but Dow lost 0.06% because there's no AI companies such as Nvidia, Broadcom, or Micron Technology. According to the S&P 500 map, AI companies such as Nvidia, Broadcom, and Micron Technology were the best performers on Wednesday. Shares of Tesla jumped 6.5% Wednesday as the company reported better than expected deliveries for the second quarter. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your holiday.